Yeah?
Dominic Toretto, you don't know me. You're about to.
Who did this? Killed Han and almost killed my family.
You remember Owen Shaw? This is his big bad brother. He's a Special Forces assassin.
Never the team that took down my brother.
They created a monster.
Elena! A war is coming to us whether we like it or not.
We're being hunted.
They put you in this grave, so now I'll do the same to him.
You need to stop Penny before he does any more damage to our family.
I'll lay it down to you.
I know.
So what's the plan, Dom?
We find him. He doesn't get away with this.
Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing?
You need some fresh air?
Just when you didn't think it could get any better, huh? Everybody get
This right here takes crazy to a whole nother level. One last ride.
Nope, I'm not looking.
Why does it feel like I'm not gonna see you again?
I'll come back. I promise.